Welcome to Gabriel's Creative Fashion. In today's tutorial, we are going to look on how to fix a compact cargo pocket. Before we move to the tutorial video, kindly click on the red subscribe button under this video. Thank you as you do that. Okay, now first thing we are going to do, we are going to fold the edge of this material. Make sure your folding is neat. Okay, after folding it, look at how neat it is. Now look at where I just marked the middle point, 6 inches, 6 inches. Now look at this side, 6 inches also. Now I'm going to hold that place I mark at the middle. I'm going to stitch the edges. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You're going to stitch the edges down. Now it will look like this. After you have stitched it down, it will look like this. Now we are going to do this to this side also. We are going to stitch it down. Now having done that, we are also going to stitch this down part like 2 inches. We're going to stitch it at the edges again. Make sure your stitching is neat. Okay, now look at how I fold. You're going to fold this side and stitch it up. And also do the same to this side. Hope you see how I hold it down before stitching it. Now you stitch it up. Okay, now look at how it will look like. It will look like this. Now we are going to fix it to the short. Now having used pin to hold it down, you are going to fold this side like this and stitch it up. Stitch land it. Now look at how neat it is. Now look at the cover. The pocket cover. We are also going to stitch it. Now after that, we are also going to top stitch it so that it will be firm. Now it is done. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you.